Elevating your indoor comfort involves more than just cooling. It's about creating the perfect indoor environment. This not only means maintaining the right temperature, but it also ensures the air you breathe is pure and healthy. Indoor comfort is also about controlling humidity levels so that your home remains free from mold and mildew. And it is about having an air conditioning system that operates quietly, providing you a peaceful environment. When it comes to choosing the ideal air conditioning system, it's not a decision to be taken lightly. There are several important aspects for you to consider. Firstly, the room size is critical. A unit that is too small would struggle to cool a large room, while an oversized unit can cause temperature fluctuations and waste energy. Equally important is energy efficiency. An air conditioner with a high energy rating will consume less power, thereby reducing your monthly electricity bills. It's a smart and eco-friendly choice that benefits both you and the planet. Next, you look at the reputation of the brand. Reliable brands not only assure the quality of the product, but also offer excellent customer service. They provide good warranties and have service centers located across the country for easy maintenance and repair. At HVAC Master Technologies, we understand that your requirements are unique. That's why we offer complimentary brand recommendations based on your specific needs. Our experts will guide you in selecting the right size unit, ensuring it matches your room size, energy efficiency needs, and budget. Choosing an air conditioner is a significant investment. It's about making your home a sanctuary where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Are you prepared to make the perfect choice? Reach out to HVAC Master Technologies for expert installations, professional servicing, and maintenance of your air conditioning unit. We're not just a service provider. We're your partners in creating a comfortable, cool environment within your household or workspace. With our team of highly skilled professionals, we offer in-depth knowledge and practical experience in handling various air conditioning system models and types. Our commitment extends beyond just providing you with installation services. We also offer regular maintenance and service checks to ensure that your air conditioning is always running at its peak efficiency. This not only saves you from inconvenient breakdowns, but also helps in extending the life of your unit while keeping energy consumption in check. In addition to these, we in empowering our customers through knowledge. Hence, we encourage you to stay in the loop for valuable tips and updates. This could range from learning how to optimize your air conditioner's usage, understanding the latest energy-efficient technologies, or even getting sneak peeks into the newest models hitting the market. By following or subscribing to HVAC Master Technologies, you get to tap into expert advice and industry insights. This translates to making informed decisions about your air conditioning needs and solutions, and optimizing the overall performance and lifespan of your unit. We are not just about business. We care about the comfort of which is why we strive to deliver exceptional service every time. Elevate your indoor comfort with HVAC Master Technologies. Your satisfaction is our commitment. Did you know there are various types of air conditioners available in the market? These cooling devices come in numerous designs and functionalities, each carefully engineered to cater to a specific set of requirements. With such a diverse range of options, finding the perfect fit for your needs can be a breeze. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of air conditioners. Firstly, we have the split air conditioners, a popular choice among homeowners and commercial spaces alike, and noted for their quiet operation and aesthetic appeal. These systems come with two parts, an indoor unit and an outdoor unit, making them versatile and easy to install in various spaces. Additionally, they're energy efficient and provide excellent cooling, making them a great choice for those seeking quiet comfort and style. Following the split air conditioners, we have the window air conditioners, a cost-effective and compact alternative. They're perfect for cooling single rooms, making them a favorite among students and small apartment dwellers. With their easy installation process and straightforward operation, they are an economical option that doesn't skimp on effectiveness. Next in line, we have the portable air conditioners, a mobile and adaptable choice for those with a transient lifestyle. They offer the unique advantage of mobility, allowing you to cool any room at your convenience. They're perfect for people who frequently move or those living in rented spaces. And lastly, we have the central air conditioners, the preferred choice for cooling large spaces such as office buildings or spacious homes. They offer a comprehensive cooling solution, ensuring that every corner of your space is equally cooled. This type of air conditioner is known for its efficiency and capability to handle larger cooling capacities. Each of these air conditioners comes with unique features, offering benefits tailored to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize quiet operation, cost-effectiveness, flexibility, or efficiency, there is an air conditioner designed just for you. Understanding these types and their unique features is the first step towards making an informed decision. So, choose wisely and stay cool with the right air conditioner for you.